Just letting a few people hop on. All right, bet. I'm just gonna get right into it. It's not gonna be too long. All right, what's up, guys? I'm just gonna go over some pairs going into London tonight. Let's see. Always start off with GJ. All right, bet. What time is it? Market just closed. That's why that happened. I was like wondering. All right, cool. So GJ was just on top of this major level, but it just broke. When just now when London just when New York just closed. So let's see what we got for tonight. Let's go on the highest high frame just to make sure. Ooh, oh, that might be dangerous. Hold on. Yeah, this is in my way. All right, weird. So we got a double top going on for GJ. So in case you don't know, guys, double tops signify a reversal. So it's going to look something like this, especially it's on a major level right now, 140. All right. So two big wicks on the 4 hours. It's going to be a lot of candles within these big candles over here. Right. So this one on the 4 hours going to be a little bit bunched together. But during these particular times, right, they both wicked like strong wicks going into the major level. So that's like a very very big indication telling us it might reverse. So you gotta play it out, but it's still in a bullish trend. All right, so we can't just sell it. We can't sell it at the double top. All right, but all right, we're still going against the trend. We always want to like follow the trend. So this is what I'm expecting. Since I'm a bull, this is what I want to happen. All right, so it's looking like it's gonna keep going down from this major level. Let me see if I have any questions. All right, but so it might do something like this: stop at this mid level. All right, hesitate and then wick out, and then hopefully, right? I wanted to take it up past this major level, so come all the way down, and then get enough force to hopefully break through that major level, come down, and this is where my buy opportunity would be. Right, once it breaks this major level, I will buy the dip on top of the major level to confirm that resistance was broken and then held for support. All right, so once it consolidates on top of the major level, all right, that's going to be a good indication to get into the trade depending on the time. All right, because like I always say, I always do it before London, so anywhere between 7 o'clock 7 o'clock the earliest, like the very, very earliest, between 7 o'clock and 2 a.m. All right, right before London. So just be on the lookout for this trade, right? This is what I'm expecting for it. Right. If it does so happen break, because it could very much so break on the mid level, right? It could look something like this, like that, or not even retest at all. It could just go straight down through the mid level. Just do that. It's gonna hesitate on the major level. All right, it might do a little lower high. Okay, it might come a little bit up, depending on like a fib retracement or something, or it can come all the way up back to the mid level and retest that later on. All right. So nonetheless, it's still gonna be a start of a bearish trend because we have a break of a mid level, came all the way down. This is not a dip. All right, so you cannot necessarily buy this when it comes all the way up and just breaks to a mid level and just like drops. All right, you're gonna have to wait because that's a sign of it's gonna go down for a downtrend. All right, so it can easily just break that mid level. I mean that major level. All right, it can hesitate and just break through it. So you gotta be mindful of that. So like I was saying, they could do that, come all the way down, hit this mid level, and then keep pushing down. Feel me? Obviously, not gonna look as perfect, but this is basically what it will look like if it so happens to break all these levels and keep pushing that for a downtrend. All right, but hopefully it does what I want, and it's this. Boom, breaks through. Boom, and then we're out of there. Oh, you gotta pay attention to NFP week. Let me just look at the calendar real quick. In case y'all didn't know, we have the economic calendar in the tool section within your app. So if you just go in the tool section, economic calendar is gonna simply tell you like the news, the upcoming news that's gonna come, that's gonna affect your pair during a particular time and day. All right. So let's see what's up for the upcoming days. An NFP week is simply like the first week of the month, so it's a very volatile week, and it can mess up your pairs if you're not careful trading them. So let's see. So we got some Great Britain pound news coming out later on. So this red dot signifies that it's going to be a high impact high impact news. So it could greatly affect their pairs. So we gotta be careful with that. I might even trade GBP today. I'm just gonna watch out for it. Too unpredictable. We got a forecast though, so let me just read this real quick. GDP measures summary value. And gives you a brief description of what the topic is about too. So but I'm just gonna watch out for GBP. GBP today. I might even trade it. And then we got JPY news coming out too. It's not gonna be as significant though, but it's still news, still NFP week. I don't trade that. I don't trade that. Euro news. A lot of euro on what day is this? December what 2nd tomorrow. Dang. Yep. This is when all the non-farm pair not non-farm pair is where all the unemployment rates come out. Maybe inflation if a country decides to inflate their currency. It's gonna tell us all the percentages and stuff too. So yeah, y'all can I guess go do that if y'all want to. It's definitely gonna help your trading. Just stay away from pairs that's gonna be highly affected during the week. So hopefully it doesn't affect that pair too much, but I doubt it. Um, but yeah, so that's my plan for GJ. Hopefully that falls through. Let's see what GU has. Now GU, I remember it was consolidating. Ooh. So we got some. It reached the highest point. Just gotta get my way. Can I move this? Weird. All right, bet. So as y'all can see, one clone, two, three. All right, bet. So as y'all can see, this the highest level has been up to for about like what was this? This was last year, December. This was this year like August. Now we're back here in December again. So this level is very important in the past months. All right. So that's why we like going to 4 hour and just like just see the bigger picture of everything. So knowing that like this point was a key reversal point, we have to watch out. We have to play this a little different. Okay. So right now it's consolidating between the level of the major level of, let me just scrolling real quick. The major level of 3,400. These two right here. So just consolidating. It just recently broke just now. All right. So now my plan is like since it broke, all right, we're probably gonna keep going up to higher highs and higher lows. But it's still early. It's still very early before London, so we gotta play it out safe. Um, what's my tool? I passed. So it didn't retest the major level yet. So it broke. All right. Now it just I don't know what it's doing up here, but I'm waiting for it to come all the way down here, retest. All right. This was once resistance, a little bit of resistance over there, and then obviously all the way to the left, right? From a 4 hour standpoint. That was previous resistance as well in the past. So once it comes down, same play as UJ, right? We have to wait for it to consolidate above it to make our move. All right, depending on what time, right? That's when we'll make our move. If it does break down, right, go do the same thing as GJ. That's why I like these pairs. But right now, we come back here like this was all consolidation. It just recently broke, right? So the consolidation is still how do I put this? The consolidation is still like a factor, all right, with the trade because right it broke but it didn't retest. So this resistance of the consolidation, right? This resistance of the consolidation is not confirmed as support yet. So it's still up in the air. So we just gotta watch it and just play it out. Let me check the let's check the strength real quick. Strength. GU green, a little bit of green, right? GJ. It's alright. All right, so that's GU. That's my plan for GU. Let's go on to GA. Ooh. GA is looking better than everything else, to be honest with you. Let me just go on a fly real quick. Any questions so far? Let me just remind everybody to hop on. Bro. All right, cool. So right now, all right, we're currently in the uptrend. All right, so it's dumbing down to a 15. All right, it broke its major level with a big ass candle. Damn, what the hell? What the hell happened? 11. What the hell happened at 11 o'clock? Was there news at 11? Maybe some AUD news. What's the Aussie flag? I don't even know, but yeah, that major level got broken. So it got broken real bad. So it did retest over here with one candle over here, but it went one time and it still came down. So right now it's just being like intertwined with these two candles. Right now the market just closed, so that's probably why. So we just got to see, we got to play it out. But right now it's making a bullish path to the upside. So if it can get all the way up to here, that'll be valid. Hit off this, go 100 pips. That's definitely doable. That's definitely doable. All right. I just want to clear all this, right? Because it was kind of consolidating. So it did a double bottom, well, triple bottom right here. This was a key level right here. All right. So if it comes all the way back here, all right. I hope it doesn't stop. I hope it doesn't wick out and just come out. At that point, it's going to be a range. Just buy at the top. I mean, sell at the top exit at the bottom, and then buy bottom, and then exit at the top. That type of thing. But but yeah. All right, so that's my plan for GA. Just simple. Boom. All right, so this we can probably enter a little earlier because it already did his move. It broke already. You feel me? And then now we're just waiting for the dip going down. So this is a perfect example of a break and then waiting for the dip going down. All right. So this is what you want to look for every time, right? If you're a bull, every time you're going for a buy, right? Just buy the higher lows, high, higher low. All right. Consolidation on this level, and then we take it up to the upside. EU backup plan. Ooh, I gotta remark up this chart. I gotta remark up this chart. A level just got broken. That's valid. That's valid. That's valid. That's valid. All right, cool. I haven't remarked up my chart in a long time. Just copy this right here. Clone. Next major level, right there. Bow mid level. Clone that. Where's it at? All right, word. One five. Okay. Boom. All right, cool. So this is good for EU. All right, as you can see, this was a factor. It did react to it, right? From this double top, it did react to it, but it made a higher low. So, like I said, like this is why I say be careful when you're like selling double tops because you're going against the trend. You're going against the trend. So when it came all the way up, right? This was the recent resistance from the left, right? So if you sold here, you would have got some profit and then instantly taken out. All right, because it just made a higher low, higher low. See you. So that's why I said always follow the trend. The trend is always your friend. All right. Um, but yeah, this is gonna play out perfect for tonight if news don't affect it. Um, so it can easily hit off the mid level, right? The mid level, just to make this very clear, the mid level is not as significant as the major level, so it can easily just rip through the mid level and just test out the major level again. All right, because remember the major levels always get retested. All right, so broke, retest these candles retested. Okay, big retest, broke again, candles retested. All right, every time a major level gets broken, it's always retesting. All right, so to play this safe, right, don't even buy the mid level. All right, just wait for the major level. Depending on the time, like I always say, like if it consolidates on the mid level right before London, then yes, you can buy it. All right, that's gonna be like a good indication you can buy it because um London 9 times out of 10 is going to take it to the upside because Asian session fades it down like the opposite way, so you have the opportunity to buy it. And then once London comes around, the London boy just takes it up to the upside or whatever side they take it to, right? Depending on the trend. All right. Anybody have any questions on that? So this is my plan for EU. Boom. Consolidation. We out of there. All right. This looks valid. This looks like a valid play. I might post this in the chat. I'm gonna post it in the chat. Yeah. So look out for EU guys. I'm gonna post it in the chat for a player tonight. All right. It's a good look. It's a good look. Oh, see what gold did. I don't really trade gold. Still a lot of uncertainty with the presidency, but I'm looking for USD. Like I'm looking for USD to sell. So I'm selling USD. Everything that's USD, I'm selling. That means I'm buying GU because once USD falls, GU could have power over USD. So that means it's gonna have strength to go to the upside. So that's what I mean by I'm selling EU. I mean, not selling EU, selling USD. All right. So for gold, right, it just broke this buy zone I had. I didn't really mark it up because I don't really like it's just too fluctuated for me. So I don't really know. I don't really know about it yet. So I'm still practicing on it. Like y'all practicing with regular pairs. I'm gonna practice with indices. Like this is a whole nother ball game type. But but I'm pretty sure it's the same thing as any other pair. It's just a little faster because you see all these big drops and then big pushes up. So it's a little unpredictable, but I'm gonna get it down. I'm gonna get it down. I'm gonna get it down. But yeah, that's pretty much all the pairs I got. If anybody don't have any questions on any pairs, I'm gonna hop off this and I'm gonna post the trade in the chat. All right. No questions. Let me know. All right, but so if anybody have questions, hit me up in the community. All right. Make sure y'all cut down on lot sizes because the NFP week. All right, just be safe and catch y'all on the next one.